You are going to love the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.